So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt. Every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas, all you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. This is a breaking news video. Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I know my hair, what the heck happened to my hair? Bruh, this freaking beauty salon I went to, oh my gosh, bro. Okay, sorry, breaking news. I'm not too happy. Well, it's whatever. My hair is, I don't know how to fix it. That's the thing, it's too long. Okay, so I went to, sorry. Lyft cut rates for drivers. Sorry, I got distracted. I just drank a Red Bull, okay? Shout out Red Bull, sponsor me. I just saw this, guys. This is crazy. Let me sync up my phone here and show you guys. Lyft, why are you cutting rates for drivers? They just lowered the cancellation rate. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show some top secret investigation. Earning on pickup and new cancellation policy. So this, guys, is how Lyft masks, no pun intended, masks the way that they want us to think about this. They say, have you ever gotten a email from Lyft saying, oh, we've updated our earnings policy? It's always a rate cut. I've never experienced this, and it actually benefits drivers. Last August, we introduced a new rate card that paid for time and distance toward a passenger. You should have been doing that in the first place. We'll learn that many drivers prefer to earn on the original rates. We've heard you, so we're bringing back the way you used to earn with higher per mile and base rates for every ride, starting when you pick up a passenger. So they just got rid of, you now don't get paid anymore on your way to pick up a passenger. You only get paid when you pick up the passenger. What if it's 20 minutes away? What are you gonna do then? And cancellation updates. Earnings that qualify cancellation are now based on the time and distance you drove to the pickup. The cancel minimum will be $2. Guys, it used to be $5 always at least. They're like, oh, now if it's a short pickup, we're only giving you $2? Bruh, are you serious? That's horrible. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not happy about this. Let's go into my app. I haven't driven Lyft in a while, so I just did my, I know my account's suspended because I need to give them, I already sent them a doctor's note, and my doctor's note didn't qualify. I'm like, whatever, I need to fix that eventually. I was gonna show my rate card for you guys. To show you guys, look at this. Where's my rate card? I urge you guys all to look at your rate card too, because this is bogus. Baloney. Cancel minimum $2? Bruh. Even on Lyft Lux is $2. Lyft Lux Black XL. Imagine you're driving a Lyft, you're driving around an Escalade, you get there, and the passenger doesn't show up, and you get $2. Bro, that's a joke, bro. Per mile, 79 cents. Lux Blacks XL, $2.70. Lux Blacks. Scheduled cancel minimum, that used to be $10, and now it's down to $5. Lyft, we're in a pandemic. We need the money. We as drivers need money. Why are you cutting our rates? I'm so fed up with Lyft. I just went out and drove for Uber today, so that's all I have for you guys today. I'm done. Lyft, What is going on? I gotta go handle this. Use my link down below for GetUpside to get cash back on your gas. At least we know GetUpside won't cut our rates. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.